and go right here, and you're probably just gonna have nothing because they're just divs. And we can inspect the element, and you can see that there's just the same div, the replacement that we have there. So now we can go to styling that, I guess. So we can do, just get that quickly. What is that? Compare check. Copy that and just come over here, that, and then background URL. We're gonna have that image, and I already have an image set up on our thing right here. We'll just go to my WAMP server quickly, comparison table image, and it is this one. Check. So we're just gonna copy that. Check icon.png and image slash that. That's done right there. And we're gonna put a background position to make it centered inside the div of center. And that should be good. And we're also going to make a width and height of the image size, which mine are 16, height of 16. Save that, go back to our thing. It should be doing something. Height, I spelled height wrong, and background position, I did that wrong. So we're gonna go back here, and yeah, it looks like I forgot an I here, and just add the, fix this T. So now we save that, go back to this, and now you can see they're all like that. And we can also center everything inside there so it looks nice. So instead of the entry, we can, just put center tags around your stuff, center, and I'm only centering the entries, so center, copy the slash center tag, the end tag, slash center, Control S, fresh, and now everything's centered like that. And that looks pretty nice right now. We can go back to our style.css, and we can style each one of these th tags to be only 24% of the thing. So we can do dot comparison table, which is the same as this one and same as this. So comparison table, and then we're gonna add the table header. So we're going from this table into the table header, and then we're doing tr and then th. So we're going from this table to the table header to the tr to the th is inside there. So we're styling that element inside there. So width is going to be 25%, and let's add a padding of like 6 pixels. Refresh that, and you can't really tell, but it is different. And now we can start styling so it looks nice here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a nice solid background color onto these titles, except for this one. And then I'm going to add a buy now buttons in the table footer, which I'm going to make right now. So we're going to go down here and make the T foot and end with the T foot tag. And then we're just going to add some more THs, so I'm just going to copy that like that. Copy, and then Shift Tab to get these back into order, and then tab that in. And we can always add some center tags. So I'm going to add some buy now buttons into it, and I already have those set. So let's just go to right here and buy now. So let's just get the name of that, copy that, and then we can add our div class of premium buy now, and then slash div to close it off. Whoops, forgot one of these. And our premium buy now, because the class dot premium by now. It's basically going to have the same characteristics of the top one. Background, URL, image slash that. Let me fix that. URL, that. And then background position, center, just so it's centered in case it's not right. And I actually don't know the size of that, so let's open that up by now. Image size, it is 60 by 16. So let's go right here. 60 by 16. So this will be easy to do. Change this to 60. File save. Go over here, and now that is going to be right here. What is wrong with that? Let's check this out. Center, premium by now. What is wrong with that? Did we not save this file? Guess it should be good. Did I not get the image right? By now blue, and that should be right. Yes. Oh, forgot the D in here. Control C. Yeah, see, now we got our button right there. And now I want to replace the regular one with the button now. So it's basically going to be the same thing. So I'm just going to copy this whole class, and I'll put that after it. So we're going to change this premium to regular. And I'm going to change this to the green button, which I have right here. See green? So just change that to green. And then we have that class copied. And we can just change this. And change this to regular. Regular. Like that. Control S, yep. Alright, so now that one's changed. And now I want to change this one. Since trial is going to be free, we're just going to change that to this sign up button right here. And that's going to be the same thing. Just to change that to trial. And we got to change this to, what's it called? Sign up.png. Sign up. And that's going to be the same size. And then we're going to change this to trial. Save that, and then copy this and change this to trial. Save it, and now we got our button set up at the bottom to make it look cool. We can link those to wherever you want later. We can get these headers done now. So what I'm gonna do is change this header. We're gonna put a class of regular header. Regular, like that. Oh, copy that, and then we can go down right here. Whoa. And we can add a background to that. So just copy that background thing, and I already have a blue set up, so it's just called blue color. So I'm just gonna change this to blue color. And that should be good. Let's just see. Yep, it's good right there. We can also add border on it if we want it, so I guess we can do that now. Let's just get this blue color up and zoom in here so we can select it, and we're just gonna make the border a little darker than what the color is. So we're gonna go to our style, border 1px solid, and then our color like that. Control S, bring back to this, and we have a tiny border on that. So now we can do the same to our premium one, but we want to have the green header, the premium, but which is going to be green. So premium header, and this is going to be the green color, as you can see right here, green color. And we can make a class, put the class thing on the premium th. So premium header, Control S, and now that one's there. So let's stick with that, and let's add a border to that one. So let's just open that one up too. Green color. Zoom in here. Now just go to our palette, select it, go a little darker, go back to our style, and change that. Control S. And now you can kind of see the border on that. And the trial we're just going to leave normal. It doesn't need anything on it. It's just gray, matches the background. And we can also add a border bottom to each row, so they're spread apart. That's what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see, they're located in the table, T-body, and then TR, and then the TDs. So we can just style it like we did, kind of like we did this one. So we can do dot comparison table, comparison table. I'm just going to do this quickly right here. So now we're going to do T-body, TR, TD, and we can set each one to have a border bottom, 1 px solid, and let's find a good color for this. So let's go to grays. Probably a good dark one is probably that. We can always change it. So Control S and go back to here. And now you have a border on that. We might want to just change that to TR so we don't have the spacing. That probably will look better. Oh no, there's none. You can't do that to TR. So TD, and then we're gonna do their table border collapse. And that'll make this little thing in here go away. Yeah, so now we can have that. And we can also add a padding to our TD. Let's just do that right now. Padding, I'm just going to make this 4px, not as big as the other one. And now they're spaced apart a little bit. And you notice how whatever we're doing is not going to the THs, and that's kind of good, because we don't want to border bottom to this. Unless you do, you can change it. And so we can also bold or do whatever we want to these. We can go over here and find our rows. So each TD. So now we're gonna style this like a one premium row going. Actually, I have these mixed up, don't I? Just noticed that. So let's just change that around quickly. Regular header, Control X, and then let's just Control X that. Get rid of that. Control S to save it. And now they're switched. Alright. And the borders are switched too, aren't they? Okay, so sorry about this. Control X. There we go. There.